Today we're going to get to this green wire. Going to replace it. It goes all the way over to the back of this unit right here. I took it apart and this is what I found. Those look decent enough, they could be cleaned, but this has to be changed. We're going to go ahead for now, clean off the corrosion and keep using it until I get the new one. But yeah, this is pretty bad. This is probably the original one that came with the car, and it runs down there all the way across to this unit right here. It attaches to the back of the distributor unit. This part runs inside the cabin to the oxygen sensor under the passenger footwell. Whenever I can, I use Euro parts as my replacement parts for this car. So here is the new wire, and there's a part number. I'm going to try my best not to disturb any of these wires. So the top right here basically pushes in and unlatches from the bottom, and then there's another one right there. I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to push this part in. This just pushes in and twist it. Push it in and twist it. Then we're going to carefully lift this top up and just move it out of the way just a little bit. The green wire terminates back here and it goes into the distributor. It's held on by this little metal clip, and there are two screws holding it in. This tiny screw holds it in place. There's one on the other side too. Okay, so I made sure I stuck a piece of cloth down there so it didn't get lost, so the screw doesn't get lost. And I was able to take off this bracket first. Once I took that off, this came out pretty easily. Here's a good technique for you. To run this through the same channel as the old one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape these two together, and as I pull this old one out, this new one will be threaded in. So here it is. So the end, this end is going to be plugged in over on that side, and this part right here, we're just going to pull it through and carefully thread it through as we go. So that took less than a minute. Here's the new green wire. We're going to go ahead and plug that in right into that little hole right there, and there is a notch at the top that fits the notch right at the top. Let's see how well you can see that right there, so you can't mess that up. And you can see our green wire was threaded correctly through the original pathways, and it comes up like this. We're going to now take the tape off and plug it in, but before we do that, let's go ahead and finish up over here. So one thing I noticed with the old one that came off, it doesn't have that extra rubber piece in the front. All right, this new one came with this extra grommet right here in the front. I'm going to go ahead and take that off because my old one does not have it. And when I try to put this on with this piece on, it doesn't get close enough to the body of the distributor. Here's what I mean. if I leave that on there, the metal brace is not, there's a big gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. So I carefully use my blade and just cut it off. And again, be careful not to damage the actual unit. And there it is. That extra piece is off, and it now matches my original, which looks like this. So I put the metal bracket back in its spot. I'm going to insert this and carefully screw this in. Okay, it took some effort, but I got it in. And it might have been easier if I took this out, giving myself some more room, but there it is, it's in. And gotten some tissue paper in here so I don't lose those tiny screws. I actually did drop one, but I was able to find it using this tool right here. It's a flashlight, but then it's a magnet flashlight, and it extends. I'll leave the link for you if you want. Okay, when you're putting this back on, just make sure you line it up. It's good if you marked it as to where it came from, but it lines up pretty easily. And get these hooks right under that little bracket right there on both sides, and you're good to go. So my green wire is good on this side. Now it's time to plug it in over here. And it only goes in one way. This tab right here goes into this slot. Make sure you get the wire back on, and you're good, and you're done. And that's it.